Hey everybody, welcome back to Durbin's Bourbon. I'm Joe.
And I'm Summer.
It is the Kentucky Derby. And
Woohoo.
what are we going to make? A mint julep.
I wanted to leave you hanging. I didn't know if you didn't know or...
We're going to make a mint julep. You need to make a classic mint julep, you need some mint julep cups, silver, pewter, any kind of metal. Metal acts as a conductor for the ice so it will frost up. Nice. Glass acts as an insulator, although at the Kentucky Derby, which they serve over 100,000 mint juleps,
Whoa.
They will be served today. Classically, they're made in the metal or pewter if you can afford silver. Silver is the metal of choice. However, silver is quite expensive. This was a gift from my wife, and it was an anniversary gift.
How sweet.
The drink is really simple. Bourbon, simple syrup, and mint. Super easy. It's been around for a long time. 1800s, it was a morning drink, and the julep was used back in the day to help people take their medicine.
Oh, we should bring that back.
It was a delivery device.
Yeah.
As my mom used sugar to make me take meds, they just add a little alcohol to make it even better.
I think I might remember mine if I did that. That's a good idea.
So the first thing you want to do is take your mint, your handful of mint. We've got about 6 or so leaves of mint.
Okay.
Drop it in the bottom of your glass. Add ½ ounce of simple syrup. I knew it was going to drip. I'm going to pour yours for you.
That feels safe.
So we're using ½ ounce of simple syrup. Then you're going to muddle. Pardon me, I'm getting on the backside of a cold, so I lost my voice, but I'm not contagious anymore. So you want to muddle, use a wood muddler. Gently muddle the mint. You don't want to over crush it, because if you do, it releases chlorophyll, and that's a bitter product that's in the lint, and it will become icky and real bitter.
Let me look at yours. I need to match that. Smells good.
So, there we go. Yep, there we go. So I'll give that to Summer.
Perfect.
Then we're going to add, I already pre-crushed our ice.
Phil's responsible.
For the interest of time, I have my metal glass, so it's sticking to it.
Nice.
Perfect. All right. Next, we're using the bourbon of the Kentucky Derby, which is Woodford Reserve. Fantastic bourbon.
Good
this
choice.
Is a pretty stiff drink. So it is 2 ounces. Some folks do 2.5.
All right.
So it's 2 ounces of bourbon. 1, 2. Uh-oh. We're going to go just a skosh more. There. Just for good measure. And I should have used the 1.5, but that would have made 3, so. 1.
I've been ready to run in the Derby if we did 3.
Yeah.
And we're off.
So excited. One of my favorite days of the year.
Yeah.
Make bets, lose a bunch of money.
Eat good food.
Exactly.
Drink a good amount of bourbon.
So now we're going to add our ice. You want to have crushed ice, smaller the better. And you go to almost a snow cone.
Oh, cool.
And then
I didn't know you would use this much ice. That's neat.
it takes a lot of ice, and the drink is meant to be, it's meant to sit for a bit. Mm-hmm. Where's my bar spoon? There we go. And it is going to make a little bit of a mess, so you want to get that kind of down in there. As the ice melts, it softens the drink because, like I said, this is a very strong drink.
Stiff, yeah.
So you want it to soften, and you can see how the glass is starting to frost up.
Oh, yeah.
It will get a really heavy frost to the point where you could scratch it off.
Really?
As
cool.
the transference takes place. Now,
So do they serve these in glass at the Derby?
they do.
They do.
They've been doing that since 1939. I think they introduced the glass, Derby glass, and it has a commemorative on it. So
Oh, that's cool.
what you want to do, we're making a mess, but that's okay. So you take your hand and push it down like a snow cone a little bit.
Cool.
Excuse me. Now you take your straws,
Oh, I was like, where the
make
heck?
yourself a little hole in the ice. Now comes a very important part. You take your sprig of mint, put it in your hand,
Okay.
clap it a couple times. Oh yeah. And what you're doing when you
Oh
clap
gosh, it smells so good.
is you're releasing
The
that
aromatics.
mint, and you shove it down where your straw is. So that way,
That's so pretty.
when you take a drink of your julep,
You sniff it.
you get a draft of mint with it, which complements the mint in the bottom.
Love it.
While our glasses are icing, I'm going to throw a little bit of trivia. Churchill Downs, where the race originated, was May 17th, 1875, was the first race. That land was appropriated by Meriwether Lewis Clark Jr. He was the grandson of the explorers Lewis and Clark.
That's sweet.
It was his land. So
Wow, how cool.
he appropriated it from his family, which were direct descendants, and their last names were Churchill, hence the name Churchill. So the original was May 17th, 1875 was the first Derby race. May 17th, a neat day. It's my anniversary of my wife and I as well.
How
Pretty neat piece of
sweet.
history.
Yeah.
So now we've given this drink a little bit of time to melt. As it sits, goodness, it gets better. The ice will dilute and the bourbon will soften up a little. Because if you were to drink this straight, right as soon as you make it, it will knock you on your socks because 2 ounces of bourbon, it goes down really easy.
Yep.
So now, I'm back.
You're
That's
doing your
got a
best.
really nice frost. You can see, look at that.
Ooh, it sure does.
So you can see. So now you pick it up. You can hold it this way, any way you want. I usually hold it like that so I don't mess up, but you can see your little fingerprints on there.
My little fingerprints.
So now
Turn it.
we hope everyone's having a fantastic Derby day.
Yeah.
Good luck if you're betting on the races. I know my boy Josh is going to be. I had to tell him what day it was because I'm not there to remind him. He's like, it's a Saturday, which is today. So here we are.
Yeah.
Cheers, sister.
Cheers. Not half bad.
That's
Pretty
nice.
good.
That is a good one. This recipe I deviated just a little bit from the video we made years and years ago, about 10 years ago. I used a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup.
Did
think I
Josh wear a
have-
fascinator?
What's that?
Did
No,
Josh wear a fascinator?
He
Sorry,
did not.
Josh, went up to you on this one, buddy.
I wore basically this. But I don't think I used as much bourbon either. So 1/2 ounce, 2 ounces to 2.5 ounces of bourbon,
Yeah.
I think is a good combination because that's perfect.
Yeah, it is very
I'm enjoying
good.
that. So
Very good.
that's good stuff. My first sip of alcohol I've had in about a month.
Oh man, it might make your cold feel better. Truthfully,
I think so.
Yeah, yeah.
I think so. This is killing me. I hope y'all like this video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below.
Yeah.
Good luck today in the Derby. Make money, have fun, have some drinks, drink responsibly.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe. Anything to add?
No.
We're going to
Nothing.
win
Thanks
some
for
big
coming.
money.
Yeah.
As always, enjoy your whiskeys and bourbons
Any way you like.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Cheers.